I searched for VC++ 2013 download and I got this link to details. Click on download. I want the 64-bit, so click next. Download. Programs. 1255. Yeah, this one is the latest one. Copy as path. Command prompt. Or better, command prompt with the run as admin. And type /?. You can see if I type /?, most of the installations show me what are the switches available. If they don't, you need to search in the internet for application name space silent switch in the Google. You can see quiet displays minimum UI. /install for installation, /passive or /quiet, /passive for minimal, quiet for no screen settle. If you don't want to restart the machine. So let's try one by one. All the switches. /install. I'll keep /passive so that I can see some minimal screen. In the deployment we use /quiet. /no restart. If I want to if I don't want to restart, if I want to suppress any restart prompts, /log to create the log file and the log file path, %temp, percentage, let's keep install.log. This is for passive mode. If you keep, instead of passive, if you keep quiet, you won't see that screen also. %temp, install.log, right? Exit code 0x0, success. This is not MSI. If it is MSI, you will get the log like that. But even though it is extracting an MSI internally, as we are running through exe, it created its custom log, the minimum details. And for similarly for uninstall, you type /uninstall, or you can go to restart.cpl, Microsoft Visual C++ 2013 redistributable. Software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, uninstall. You can see it got installed MSIs, 2 MSIs, additional runtime, and this one you can use those product codes to uninstall, or you can just use the same exe for uninstallation also. Redistributable x64. Minimum runtime. See, this is 2010. 2008. Two 2019 additional runtime. This is one MSI, but it got hidden there with system component. Another one is runtime. There are two MSIs and there is an uninstalled, and those two MSIs you don't see any add or remove programs entry here, even if you click on install date. See, so this one installed an exe. Internally it installed two MSIs. Those two MSIs it disabled the AR entry by keeping the system component one registry or ARP system component one MSI property there maybe, and here this created for exe. If it is an exe, there will the uninstalled string will be pointing to an exe, right? It extracted one exe file because during uninstallation you might don't have this exe file which you used for installation. You have downloaded one installation file, you install that, but after installation you can delete that. During uninstallation you don't need to download it again. If you have that file, you have this option to use the passive mode of instead of uninstall, you can click uninstall instead of install as I provided. If it is not provided, you can use the exe uninstall string which they mentioned here. But this uninstall string by default it will do it in UA mode. So in that case you can type /? again for this particular exe instead of /uninstall, and you can see what are the options available. If you didn't get any options available, you can do a hit and trial with the same options provided by the installation, like passive. Instead of passive, I will type quiet now. Yeah, it's deleted. That's time. It's not there now. You see, it's 0 now. Once it is deleted, this exe also won't be available. That's why I got this system path not found error.